Hello guys, today we are going to review BitSat Guide 2020. We'll get some online test papers. Total we'll get 5 test papers for free with this book by using this code and by using this website. This is a detailed syllabus. First chapter is units, measurements and dimensions. For each chapter we'll get 4 to 5 pages of theory, and for each chapter we'll get something like 50 to 60 numerical questions, minimum 40. We'll get even BitSat archives, means previous year questions also with this book. Here is a detailed solution of each and every question. You can see this. For doubts, there is no need of teacher. The solutions are more than enough to clarify your doubts for yourself. You can see this vectors. This is physics part. Circular motion problems. Solutions. For some direct formal application questions, we don't get the solution, we only get the key. Concept questions. Chemistry, atomic structure. Coordination compounds. Full theory. General organic chemistry questions. Max quadratic equations. Sequence and series. Concept. And we'll also get English and reasoning also with this book. See here. English proficiency. Grammar. Tenses and agreement. Propositions. See practice exercise. Solution for this also. See vocabulary. See, we got 5 practice tests in this book. Logical reasoning. Concept questions, practice questions. Thank you guys. Sorry, I forgot to say the price of this book is $825. In Amazon we'll get like something around 500 or 550.